Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is October 31st and the chart of the day for today is Tesla 60 minutes time frame. Alright, so let's take a look here what we got. So we got with 2 ended 212, with 3 ended here. Rally looks pretty impulsive to me. And then now we are doing the pullback. Now right off the bat, without even looking at the larger degree or anything, you can see that this pullback, all right, this pullback over there, no divergence at the lows, and it looks like a 3 to me. It looks like a 3 waves. So this in itself is suggesting it is most likely a bullish market, because if it is a bearish market, this would have been 1 2 and then extended 3 4 5, right? That's what an impulse looks like. But the fact it looks like a 3 and no extension on the third leg, then it ended here, right? Now obviously you cannot label this 1 2 3 4 5, right? Because this has nothing to do with this. It's a different cycle than this. So that means this cycle ended here as a 3 waves. Then you have a reaction higher as a 3 waves, and then now we are looking to go down again. So this is a classic ABC, which is a double zigzag. So in this case, because the first leg is looking corrective, you get a higher probability to be correct if you are favoring the upside, right? So in this case, you're going to be looking for a potential support WXY 100% extension over here to 45 to 34. So from here, if it can reach here, we should be able to find buyers, and then from here we should be able to extend higher again, because again three legs down here, 5 legs up here. Okay, so again, without even knowing anything else, just by that simple observation, I think we can already say with a higher degree probability it's going to extend higher, as long as we don't break above below the invalidation level, and that will be the next support zone. Now let's add a little bit more and look at the higher time frame. If I look at the daily time frame, I'm going to be adding this 2 3 4 in the black here on the daily time frame, which is this one. This is 1 2, and then basically we are seeing the 3 already ended here as well. Now this is a very interesting structure here, guys. There are a couple of interpretations available, and I think it's not really necessary to interpret the larger time frame, because again, even the simple lower time frame already favoring more upside, like I explained, right? So I think we don't need to go into deep into too much depth, trying to discuss the larger cycle. Now I think it's sufficient to say that the following: you get this high here, right? I mean, the 1 2 3 4 5 is being measured from here, 1 2 3, and then you will say 4 overlap. That's fine. It's diagonal is fine. Okay. Now if you simply measure 1 equal to 3, then technically, the 100% is 294. I think that is a reasonable sort of target on the upside for Tesla, which is just a simple 100% extension from the low, because you got a high here, right? So that will be a simple target higher, which is the 100% extension. Okay. Now in terms of the possibility there, well, you can count this from the low. You can either count it as something like this in a higher degree. You can count it like this: 1 2 3 4. But I don't like this, even though you can have a diagonal technically overlapping, if this is part of maybe with one of a higher degree. But I don't like it because it's too big, the 4, right? So this is possible. So you got a 4 and you got a 5, and then you will end you will end 5 here, and then you will end the cycle and then see a bigger pullback again to correct the cycle in 3 ways before higher. That's one possibility, but the 4 is too big. Now another possibility is simply just that's your 1 and that's your 2, and if that's the case, then this is actually even more bullish right? So then that means it has an overlap here, but it could be 1 2 1 2, for example, and it continues to go higher like this. This could be 1 2, another 1 2, and then 3 of 3 higher, right? Or it could be a diagonal ending 1 of 3, pullback, right? 1 of 3 like this, and then pull back in the 2, and then higher again. So as you can see, I offer you a couple of different alternates, but I think depending which alternate you're looking at, it really, the conclusion is, at least if you are dealing with the shorter cycle, you don't need to be concerned so much. Shorter cycle is more upside, guys. That's it, right? And then we let the market decide which one is going to be playing out in the larger time frame. But again, the shorter cycle is sufficient to conclude that we should see further upside most likely. Okay, so that's the update for Tesla today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you guys again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.